Hey children, I'm here again to teach you a new alphabet. And the new alphabet is Z. Children, the first one is capital Z and the second one is small z. The phonic sound of letter Z is Z. The phonic sound of letter Z is Z. The phonic sound of letter Z is Z. Children, now I am going to tell you one story of letter Z. So listen carefully. Zizi, the zebra, lives in a jungle. Her best friend is Moo, the zebu. You have so many zigzag zigzag on your body. Zizi says moo, and I have zero zigzags. So children, there are so many words that begins with letter Z.